Hello, it's me, Construction Carol, with another construction update for you. I have a mostly completed garden shed, which was phase 2. I say mostly completed because we are missing the handles and the latches, but we're waiting until spring to finish those off just to see how this settles, because we don't want to line everything up right now and then have it settle and not be lined up later on. So this coming spring will be completely finished, but now it's mostly finished. So see how we got to this point. Funding is provided in part by the Institute of Museum and Library Services through the Library of Michigan.